Hi, I'm Rob Thurston, Commercial Director for Cybex UK, and we're here on the first day at LIW 2015. I'm going to take you on a little tour around our stand and see some of the new toys that we've put on this year. Come on round. So this is Cray on the new Eagle NX bicep curl. This is such a versatile piece of equipment. We've got this free moving floating arm on the side that allows Cray to work in a whole range of different movements. Just drop out some bicep curls in the air, Cray. From neutral grip to hammer grip to into pronated, reverse curl, alternate arms. And now such flexibility in a piece of selectorized equipment. So this year we're launching a whole range of the Eagle NX equipment, along with our brand new range of prestige strength equipment, 21 pieces, 12 pieces, that real versatility in the type of strength training you do on pin-loaded equipment. Okay, let's go and have a look at another brand new product that we've got this year on the stand. So this is Fran on the SPARC trainer, and again, this product launched out in Ursa in the US this year, and this is the first year we've shown this in the UK. So this product is designed for HIIT, for high intensity interval training. It allows you to get on and go and do short, intense bursts of intervals without having to press lots of controls and set stuff up. Using this air fan resistance and this additional power bar, it allows you to work at those short, intense bursts of work. So Fran, if you just lean forward a little into the machine, it gives a burst of 30 seconds hard work here. So driving through the hamstrings, glutes and hips. As she pushes harder on this machine, there's more resistance, allowing to work at a high level of output. After 20 or 30 seconds, she can drop back that speed and ease off for me and work on a recovery phase. And with this simple console, it'll allow us to go and work maybe 8 sets or 10 sets, 30 seconds of work, 30 seconds recovery, and do that short, intense workout. In and out, 8 minutes, done. Such a cool piece of equipment. If you get a chance and you're at the show, come and have a go on this piece of kit. Okay, so there's two key things on this particular product that make it unique to everybody else's dual adjustable pulley. For this particular one, we can change the width of the pulleys. Set these wide and high. Like a cable crossover. Let's have Alicia here just drop a couple of reps out for me on a crossover. So now a high, wide pulley position with this stabilization pad, so you're not having to lean forward into the weight. Just drop out a couple of repetitions, just a little lower down to here for me. That's it, perfect. Stabilizing, but still keeping that engagement of those core muscles. So even with the stabilization pad, we're not losing that effect of using a functional training tool. Great stuff, thank you. And then drop those back, and let's rotate these round and have a look at those opposite row exercises for me. We can quickly rotate these in. And now work from a close-up position. Just grab those, let's do a row for me. And now, because of close position on these, stabilizing again, we can quickly switch into a row pulley movement, scapular retraction. And you can't go and do this on most people's dual pulleys because you can't set that width and you can't go and stabilize your body position. So this allows you to do a whole range more exercises through correct positioning. Great stuff, thank you. So let's take a look at something else this machine can do. Let's just drop that for me. Let's bring in Mike here to have a work on here. So we can stabilize from a whole range of different positions. If I drop these through so Mike can drop out a row pattern for me, some reps. He can stabilize against the front of his knees, easily dropping his chair in, hit those scapular retractors. That easy access in and out of the machine, and not losing the effect of still having these functional movement patterns. Okay, and we're going to flip this around. Again, so you can see a quick, easy change. Let's drop in some triceps here now for Mike. I've dropped up the stabilization pad up into his upper back. And now we can work into a tricep extension, stabilizing the upper back position, the close pulley position, allow him to get correct cable angle. Right. Excellent, thanks Mike. I'll take those back. Right. So again, if you're around at the show today, come and try out some of these toys. This is a great piece of kit. Come and have a play in it if you get a chance at the show. I look forward to seeing everybody here.